Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of posting a thread to a community in X. Posting a thread allows you to start a discussion or share valuable information with a specific community. We'll provide a full guide on how to post a thread in X, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. Look for the plus icon and tap on it. This action will prompt the app to open the thread creation interface. Step 4. Once the thread creation interface appears, tap on the plus icon again to start composing your thread. Step 5. Select the community you'd like to share the thread with. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to find the desired community. Tap on the community to select it. Step 6. Type in your thread content and include any relevant media or attachments. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap on the Submit or Post button, just as you would do for a regular post. Posting a thread in X allows you to initiate meaningful discussions and contribute to the community you're a part of. It's a great way to share your thoughts, ask questions, or provide valuable insights. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to post a thread to a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.